Hello, again welcome to this new amazing video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create stunning AI animated videos in just few steps. Now, let's start the video. Step 1. First we need to generate a story of our video. For this we use ChatGPT. Click on the description link. Now, we on ChatGPT website. Go here. And enter your video script or story prompt. I will enter this. Write a story about Titanic ship, that's it. Here is your video script. Now we need to have images for our video. You can use one character or multiples images as you like. I will use one character. Step 2. Now we need to generate voice. Click on description link. You will refer to this website. Click sign up. Now, we have 11 Labs dashboard. Here you will see voice settings. Click here to choose your like voice.
Never my silence.
I will choose this. Here you will enter your script. Go back ChatGPT. And copy your script. And paste it here. Now, click generate. And download it. Step 3. Click the description link. Now, we refer Playground AI website. Click here to get started. Click here for sign up. Here you need to enter your image prompt. I will enter this. A futuristic cyborg with a neon-lit body and intricate circuitry. You can see Playground generating your images. Alright. Here is your images. Choose your image. I will choose this. And click download. Alright. Now you have your script and character. Step 4. Now we need to make your image to your YouTube size frame. For this we use Canva. Click on the description link. Now we on Canva website. Click here to choose your YouTube video size. Here we have different tools for create our image. First we need to add background. Scroll down and click here. Here you will choose your background. I will choose this. Now go to upload. And upload your generated images. Now you will make your YouTube video image. To add your text and make it as you want. After complete editing now. Click here to download. Now we have our script and image. Now, let's start to make your video. Step 5. Click on the description link. Now, you refer DID website. Click free trial button. Now you have entered DID dashboard. Go here. And click here to log in and sign up your account. Now, you have logged into your account. Click on create video button. Now, here you can see DID AI avatar. You can also use these avatars. Now, click here to upload your image. You can see your image has been uploaded. Here you will add your text. And here you will upload your voice. Click here and upload your generated voice. You can see did uploading your voice. That's it. Step 6. Click here. To generate your video. And click generate. Did started to generating your video. Once have done you can download your video. Now click here and click download. Let's see. How look this video. Once upon a time, in the early 20th century, there existed a magnificent ship called the Titanic. It was a marvel of engineering, the largest and most luxurious passenger liner ever built. The Titanic was deemed unsinkable, an opulent vessel that promised an unforgettable journey across the Atlantic Ocean. In the spring of 1912, excitement and anticipation filled the air as the Titanic prepared for its maiden voyage. Passengers from all walks of life gathered in Southampton, England, eager to embark on this extraordinary adventure. Among them were the wealthy and elite, seeking a taste of extravagance, as well as families and individuals pursuing new opportunities in the new world. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you next time.